Hello friends, welcome to NATChat. This is going to be my first experience sharing video over here, and I'm going to focus on Serval cat and their hunting behavior. Sporting a Serval cat in a savanna, it's slightly tricky, but it's not that difficult. Once you sport them, there is great opportunity to make some great frames. I had done so far many trips to Mara, but I've seen them hunting only twice. And once there was no photographic opportunities, it was just a visual treat. But once it was great. That's what I'm going to share here. We spotted this beautiful cat. We kind of followed her for some time because she looks like she is searching for something. And their behavior is really beautiful, and that shows how intelligent this beautiful animal is. They got pretty tall legs compared to the other cats, and their neck is tall too. So they kind of stretch their neck, and their big ears will be pointing to different directions, and they will be looking like this. And they will be keeping their steps, like each step, so carefully and so calculated. And once they spot something, once they see the target, they stop. And then you can see the only movement will be their eyes. Their head will be their neck will be kind of extending, and they will be looking like this. And once they're sure, then you can see them pounding. Then once they settle, you can either see a medium-sized insect or a rat, and their success rate in hunting is 50% plus. This particular time, we got to see her hunting on the left, hunting on the right, jumping straight to in front of us for almost 3-4 hours or more than that. In between, when she was tired of this, she stopped near to a water body, drink some water, then get into the water body, cool down herself, get out of the body, shake her body off, and then look around and continued her journey. Almost 3-4 hours. The equipment which I was using for this particular trip was a Nikon 180-400 along with a D5. The plus point of Nikon 180-400, it's f4 throughout, and it got an inbuilt converter. And I'm using a full frame, so I get around 550 mm for a range. And there were many occasions when this cat really come closer. All I had to do was just zoom in. And when she go beyond the 400 mm range, all I just had to do is just switch on to the converter, and you're going straight away to 550. That was an amazing feature, and without not losing much quality either. And the focus tracking is amazing even when the light is low. When it comes to action shots, you need to keep an eye on your shutter speed. I always use, whether it is an action shot or a regular shot, most of the time I use aperture priority. But I always keep an eye on my shutter speed. In a subject like this, I always try to keep it above 1600 if possible. If the light is good, then 2000 plus. That's on the technical side. Now, coming back to photography as a subject, when it comes to wildlife photography as a passion or as your interest, the first and most important thing is you need to be patient. You need to be kind, you need to be silent. You may get some interesting shots within 5 minutes or 1 hour's time, but if you invest more time in spending with any particular species, I'm very sure that you will be able to understand many behaviors. This will help you in predicting their action. This way you are preparing yourself for the best possible frames. So be patient, be kind, be silent, spend as much as time possible along with each species. This will result in very positive results. Now, coming to conservation. Like many other cases, even over here, humans, we are the main threat. It's mainly either for the coat, their skin, or for trading as pets. And the sad part is sometimes, especially, there are human settlements around most of the reserves, and at times these cats do target poultry farms or poultry. This kind of trigger the human wildlife conflict. We definitely need to have a system to support the settlement around the wildlife reserves. This way we can reduce the conflict and reduce the damages on both sides. And we definitely need proper strict law enforcement in prohibiting 100% on trading animals, trading wild animals and their body parts. First and most important thing, we need to educate ourselves. We need to start it from us, from then to our home, our friends and the society. That's the whole concept behind all our initiatives. We need your support in spreading this to the maximum people. Thank you for watching this. And if you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to share this. And please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe button. Thank you so much. Thank you.